ओम नमो नारायण. Sri Sadgurudev Bhagwan Ji has many blessings at his feet. The Bees mantra given by Sri Guruji is basically Sri Vidya, and our initiation is the order of initiation from the Shakta tradition. On the basis of the date wise of the time that the Bees mantras received by Sri Sadgurudev Bhagwan Ji, your horoscope will be formed or considered. Then you will come to know the grace of the Guru. In this way, the Guru has to bear the sin of the disciple on initiation, and the disciple gets salvation. Sri Guruji does not have time for work. Mother Durga herself walked with Sri Sadgurudev Bhagwan Ji. Bhai Sri Ji was a saint of deep dimension, was a seeker of Hanuman Ji. His departure in such a way is showing that God has appeared among us in the form of a human being to awaken the man who is inwardly fascination for the work of Sri Guruji. Bhai Sri Ji was born, and after completing his work on earth, he left human beings. Can't exist on this earth. Sri Shivaji has arrived in human form the welfare of this earth. After many births, we get the company of Sri Sadgurudev Bhagwan Ji. If he is the leader of Ayurveda world, then there will be no exaggeration in this. Tantra is the emperor or Guruji. Our Sri Sadgurudev Bhagwan Ji has the knowledge of 72,000 nadis. Our Sri Sadgurudev Bhagwan Ji is an immeasurable storehouse of knowledge. The holder of a knowledge is our Sri Sadgurudev Bhagwan Ji. And at this time there is a Bhaskar of the spiritualism on earth, shining like the sun, our Sri Sadgurudev Bhagwan Ji. Whenever Sadgurudev has come on earth, some miracle has happened. Sometime he has found a mark on the stone. Then somewhere the streams of the rivers got diverted. But this time, God did not show any such miracles. This time he showed many 100 million times bigger miracles. Crores of incurable diseases corrected, those which had not happened in any era. This time Sri Sadgurudev Bhagwan Ji has given freedom to crores of people from the problems of body, mind and wealth. That's why this time Sri Sadgurudev Ji is the contribution of Bhagwan Ji that has not happened in any other era. Our Sri Sadgurudev Bhagwan Ji is shining like the sun, which can't be seen with these skin eyes. Sri Sadgurudev Bhagwan Ji even sacrificed his son for the welfare of the earth. Still you are smiling. By the grace of Sri Sadgurudev Bhagwan Ji, we all should understand what Sri Sadgurudev Bhagwan Ji is saying since 2002. With folded hand, I requested all of you that after studying Sadgurudev Bhagwan Ji with great care, consider everything as Sri Guruji is saying. Recite 3 to 4 times, increase the number of lessons, part, and dedicate everything by saying so to Guruji. Sri Guru Arpan Mastu. Be devoted to Sri Sadgurudev Bhagwan Ji with your body and mind. Sri Guruji has nothing to do with your wealth. God is hungry for emotions. I left the notes of Sri Sadgurudev Bhagwan Ji in the crowd, and taking a coin of 5 have seen that God has accepted those who put forwarded a coin of 5 rupees from the prize. I pray to you, follow the words of Sri Sadgurudev Bhagwan Ji literally. As Sri Sadgurudev Ji wants, we will also do you. You can do it. And there is only one method to please the Guruji, by obeying him and speaking the truth. Guruji, we can get Guruji happiness by not cheating, by doing as Guruji has said, and there is nothing in the world more than Guruji's happiness. Till today, God has done a lot for us. Now we should also do something for God, for His happiness. I think you can understand that what I am saying about Sri Sadgurudev Bhagwan Ji. It's all about Sri Sadgurudev Bhagwan Ji. I am telling all these things for my personal feeling, and it's my very personal feeling for Sri Sadgurudev Bhagwan Ji. And I know many people who hear this has also these feelings. They knows our Sri Sadgurudev Bhagwan Ji is God. Not like God, He is a God. So there is no reason to stop this. We all knows everything about our Guruji, what he is doing. He never tell anybody that what he is doing for us, and that is the more bless of God, because God can't say what he is doing for us. I hope you will understand that what is our Guruji. I have no words to explain anything about Guruji. But like sun, our Guruji is shining in our heart, in our eyes. In our behavior. I wanted to talk with you about Guruji because my heart is fulfilled of Guruji's blessings. And many more things are there which I can't explain. And I went to wait for a moment. I am telling you something because it is very necessary to know everyone. And I really want to spread with all. With all the worldwide. You know, the sun has spread their light on whole earth, like same like sun. Sri Guruji is spreading love, blessings, and many things. We should do like that what Guruji is saying. Many more people are there who didn't know anything about Guruji. Only They knows they will go there and they will cure. How it happens? No one wants to know this. Okay, how it happens? And many more things are there. There are much more things to tell about Guruji, and many memorable things. And many memorable moments of their life, and we have all spent with these things of Guruji. I hope you will understand. I know that there is no strength in my language, in my word, but it all about Sri Guruji. So everything is Sri Sadgurudev Arpanamastu. What I have done, what I am doing, what I am saying, everything. I hope you will understand. And also I am very thankful to those people who is supporting and spreading Guruji blessings. And words to the world. Understand, na? I hope everyone will understand these things. Om Namo Narayan.